Guys, I just arrived, but have a look. I'm totally, totally, absolutely wet. But when I say wet, I'm talking about wet. This is the second time I'm doing this because the water come a lot. Yeah, on the shoes. Oh my gosh. This is the second time. Now is a low. Yeah, but you guys see that I'm totally wet. My shoes, everything, guys, totally wet. As you can see, but I'm doing it. I do a fun solution. Other people could be afraid, but not me. My name's Capella. Yeah, it's done. So, yes, guys, see, done. Total wet, but solution is coming. Solution is done.